Class 10th, in this video, let us understand the two basic formula of statistics for calculating the mean with the help of very important question. So student, let us understand by this very important question the concept of the mean. See, these are the marks and these are the students. 0 to 8 marks obtained by 5 students, 8 to 16 marks obtained by 9 students, 16 to 24 by 10 students, and like this. And what is the meaning of this one? I think you know very well the basic concept. 8 to 16 means 8, 9, 10 up to 15 marks got by 9 students, but 16 will be coming this data. 16 to 23 got by 10 students, then 24 to 32 by 8 students, means 24 to 32 means 24 to 31 got by 8 students, but after 31 means 32 to 40 by 8 students again. So let us solve the mean. So first of all, you have to calculate the xi. Xi means mid value. So mid value xi formula is lower limit plus upper limit upon 2. So 0 plus 8 upon 2, it is 4. Very simple. 8 plus 16 upon 2, 8 plus 16, 24. So upon 2 is 12. 16 plus 24, it is 40. Upon 2, it is 20. Okay student, now 24, 32. So this is 56 upon 2, it is 28. 32 plus 40, 72 upon 2, it is 36. So this is what xi, the mid value. Now listen student, the frequency that is denoted by fi, we'll write here fi. This is xi is the mid value of the data, fi denote the frequency. Now we will create the one more column here. What? xi into fi. Listen properly. Xi into fi. This is xi. This is xi into fi. Means multiply by this 5 4 ja. This is 20. 12 9 ja. 108. 10 into 20. 200. 8 8 ja. 64. And it is coming 220. 4 and multiply 8 6 are 48 and 48 8 3 are 24 and 4 288. Okay student, now we will add it. We will get the sum of this xi fi that we will use in the formula. So let us add this one. This is coming 8 4 8 8 16 0, then this is coming 4 2 6 8 4 6 7 and this is 8. Total sum is 840, and we have to add the number of student also. Number of students is 14 24 16, this is 40. So this is sigma fi xi and this is sigma fi. Now let us calculate the average mean sigma xi fi upon sigma fi. Sigma xi fi means summation of this xi fi is 840 upon sigma fi means total sum is 40. So this will calculate 4 2 ja 1. So 21 marks. 21 marks is the average of this class. Means very simple. The teacher can report the principal, my section got the 21 marks average. So 21 marks is our answer. Now let us calculate the same question with the help of assume mean method. That is in your syllabus. According to the reduced syllabus, only two formulas are there. One is the direct method. This will denote by direct method. Okay student, and the another is assume mean method. Now let us calculate the same question by assume mean method. Now let us see the another formula for the same question. That method is called assume mean method. Assume mean method, the formula is x bar is equal to a plus sigma fi di upon sigma fi. Okay students, sigma fi is the same total frequency, and the new one is a and di. A is what? We have to assume any one data among these data. So in between this data is 20. Okay, here to assume any one that should be lie tentatively in between, not necessary. These are the odd data. Whenever the 8 or 10 data, so you can assume is one above or one below. Tentative, it should be in between the data. So it is 20. So A is assuming and di is deviation. The formula is xi minus a, means the difference between xi and a for each term, so that we can reduce the calculation. See, what is the motive of the assume mean? We can reduce our calculation. The calculation will be easier rather than that direct method. Now see di. Xi means this. A is 20. So for each term, so for first term 4 minus 20, it is minus 16. Xi minus a means 12 minus 20. So it is minus 8. Now 20 minus 20, xi minus a, that is 0. Or 28 minus 20, it is 8. 36 minus 20, it is 16. Okay student, so this is what deviation. Now let us solve here first, then we will use the formula. So we calculated a deviation means difference between xi and a for each term. Xi minus a, xi minus a, xi minus a, same. Then xi minus a, xi minus a. Okay student, now we will calculate the fi di, fi and di, sigma we will do at the last. Fi and di means multiplication, like fi xi, now we will use fi and di, remember. And direct method, that is fi and xi, in this method fi and di. So fi is frequency into di, it will be minus 80. fi into di, 9 8 ja, this is 72, and this is 0, and this one 8 8 ja, 64 positive, and this 8 16 8 ja, 128. Okay student, now add it without doing the mistake. This minus, the sum is coming minus 152, and this sum is coming to 192. This is minus 152, this is 192. So subtract this one, so we will get the 9 minus 5, and this is 0, 40. The total sum, this minus first we added minus 152, this plus we added 192, subtract this one, so this 40. Okay student, now let us calculate with the help of formula assume mean method. Assume mean formula is a plus sigma fi di upon sigma fi. Assume mean, we suppose it was 20 plus fi di, total sum we calculated is 40, and the frequency we calculated previously, total frequency was 40. So it is 20 plus 40, 40 cancel 1, so the same answer which we obtained by the direct method. So this is the answer, 21 marks is the average of that class. Okay student, so listen student, you can compare this one. Previously we used the direct method. In that method, in direct method we use the formula sigma xi fi upon sigma fi. In that simply we multiply xi mid value and frequency and calculate it. But to reduce the calculation, we can use this formula also in the larger number. Whenever the data larger number in tedious numbers are given, so you can use this one. So the calculation will be very easy. So these are the two formula which are in your syllabus. Now in the next video we will see the mode and median.